So my hair is nice and washed, and it is time to go ahead and install our V-part wig from Nadula Hair. Now all information on this wig will be in the description box down below. I know you guys are thinking, Cindy, this does not fit your hair texture, and it doesn't. It doesn't, but we're still gonna make it work. And by doing that, we are going to do a half up, half down kind of look today. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into two parts, which is going to be the front part right here. Y'all see that magic? And we're gonna put this down in a ponytail down below. Put the wig in between and figure out something going on up here, okay? So let's go ahead and start by sectioning off the hair. We're gonna make some shape with this type 4 hair. So this is what we're gonna be working with at the top to get that situated. Okay. This is gonna be work. We're gonna need the help. So now that the front is sectioned off, this is definitely not what it's gonna look like. We're gonna go ahead and pull these back sections because our hair is shorter. We're gonna put these back sections into two parts just so they can all be tied up. So I'm not gonna put any product in it, but I am going to brush it. And it doesn't need to be gelled down or anything, but we're gonna brush and pull. And that is one part right here. Get that in. And we can even like put a little bit of itty bun in the back as well. Okay. Look at that. Look at that little bun, okay? And let's go ahead and do that to the other side as well. I like the fact that it's a V because now I can actually stretch it as opposed to it being a U. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it. And you can go ahead and wear it if you want to, like regular like this, like how most girls would wear it like this. And if your hair texture fits a little more, or if you're permed and you just kind of want to do like either like a flexi rod out, or you guys want to do kind of like a braid out or something that might work with this hair texture, then that might work for you. But I'm gonna do the half up, half down because I think I want to do something a little extra. I'm extra, so you know I gotta do something a little bang. Even though my forehead is huge, we on Rihanna now, but it's okay. So, I love that this wig has the clips on them. I'm a big fan of clips. To the center, put these ones right here. Right there, right there. Snap, snap. Hello, we cannot neglect this part. This part still, we still got some things to do right there. So let's go ahead and take this down. And now we are bringing out the product. So we're gonna go ahead and slick this up, and then we're gonna bunch everything together and it's gonna look muy fantástico. All right, y'all, so this part is getting sleeked up. And what I want to do is just bunch up the hair that is with it right here. And that is how we would do a flawless install that way. And you know, once the hair is up, we can also bring it down to block out those parts. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys right now. Now to hide this part of the hair, all I did was go ahead and twist it up. I'm gonna wrap it around and we're going to bobby pin it, then wrap some of the actual wig hair around as well, around that, and bobby pin that as well. All right, y'all, so we just have to fluff out the hair, especially at the top, and get that little bum part hidden. And I'm probably gonna define the curls a little more, but whenever I'm done with my makeup and everything, y'all will see how that's looking. But like I said, my forehead is big, we know this. But this is what the half up, half down is looking like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the edges and such and do my makeup as well, and we can come back to see the final look. But what are we thinking so far? What are we thinking so far? Once we clean it up and maybe we define these curls a little bit more, put some water in it maybe, I think we'll be very satisfied. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, so the hair is done. How are we feeling about it? So you really want to fluff up the hair, especially in the back, and lower that ponytail down in the back to make sure that it's not too high. I like my ponytails whenever they're half up, half down, I like them to lay low. So if you want to fluff the hair out to make sure that, you know, it's giving that naturalista look, then there we go. And I didn't go ahead and wet anything because the hair honestly looks fine without it being wet or the curls being defined. Like, the bigger the better if you ask me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what you liked about it. And if you guys would like this holiday style done on your own, go ahead and tag me on any pictures on Instagram. If you guys go ahead and do this, I'm just feeling myself right now. I gotta be seen tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and go do that, and I'm gonna see y'all later. I just have to look at myself one more time. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Stay blessed and beautiful, gentlemen. I love you guys so much.